Sun's up. Everything's still just such a mess.
Today's the last day.
Yes.
We're off tomorrow. Why is the boat still a mess?
Because the sails aren't up yet. Have a good one.
You just climb up the front seat, you ain't
See you later. We got dolphins! 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 Woohoo! She's got the
Why show the arm?
because she's got to come and pick us up.
I can't do it.
Why? Good morning, guys. We are here in Guernsey. This is one of the first parts of our sort of voyage to the Med. Heading to Cyprus, which is where Jaden's parents live.
We've had boats for the last 5 years, but we've been renovating them. Alf bought a boat.
Bad boat. Well, it was a good boat.
Just as we finished doing it up, bought another one.
This one.
So we had to spend another 3 years doing this one up. And now
it's been worth it.
Yeah.
It's been worth it. My arm's aching at this one.
Don't you think we should have said our names?
Oh yeah. Morning, guys. My name's Alfie and this is
Jalen.
That sounded so rehearsed. Tired, are we? Have a few drinks last night, did we? House is a mess. We're getting ready to go. Yeah, that's doing, mate. Lovely. Jay, you pull her in on that, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This one?
Yeah. So, just walking into the pub for our farewell drinks with everybody. My mum's down here, Paul, my dad, George, who's coming with us for the maiden voyage, my granddad, the guru of it all. My nan's coming down soon with my auntie.
Out in Marlborough in the morning, or when we're coming into Yarmouth.
Like, just hit me about an hour ago.
Really? It hasn't really hit me yet. I'm hoping it will hit me. I think it'll hit me tomorrow night.
Maybe, yeah.
Once all my jobs are done.
Yeah. I just finished all my jobs, so that's what you need to do.
Thank you. You gonna put the kettle on or what? I'm joking, I'm joking. Gas bottle, I need to do that. I wonder if they do it here. Fill the water tanks. Go and fill up with diesel. Foams, are you doing that?
Are we doing that?
Shopping. We've got to do that now, so you've got to get ready.
Okay.
Unpack car, that's definitely you. Wind, the wind chime's due, so that's me. Cockpit light, that's me. Outboard engine, that needs to just get out of here. That's me.
Okay.
Cool.
Should we start?
Let's do it. Who's up? Everyone up? George up? Joe up? How you feeling, Joe?
We're going on holiday.
I don't know how cold it is outside yet. I haven't got outside. Look at that lovely full moon out, isn't there? Joe, I only use my left hand.
Yeah.
Here we go, over to here. until today, please. Okay.
That doesn't sound good.
I don't think there is a taxi service.
Vicky's.
Oh, really? Okay.
Oh God. I hate Alderney.
No, that's fine. That's fine. No problem.
Doesn't
No
sound-
problem at
doesn't
all.
sound fun.
Yeah, okay, if we can't get back though, there's no point. No worries. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Tender?
We could do, but I need to get some fuel, but I don't know if they do fuel over
What
there.
did they say?
That they can take us to shore, but they can't bring us back.
Why?
I don't know.
Who was it?
Do you guys sell unleaded petrol ashore, do you? Okay, what time do you shut? Only because I've got an outboard here, but obviously I've got no fuel for it at the moment.
What if they pick us up?
Okay, well, I'll have to row it to shore. Hello, yeah, I'll have to row it to shore. You'll still be there in about 10 minutes, will you? Yeah, thank you. Cheers.
Unless they pick us up and tow.
We'll have to go now.
What's she saying?
She's got
Why she got the arm?
because she's got to come pick us up.
Why she got to come pick us up?
She's got to stay in the shop.
Oh, so she can't come pick us up?
No,
So she's got the hump because she has to stay in the shop?
to sell us petrol.
What time are they going to shut anyway?
Now they're shut. We all sort of sat around the table and we all discussed, shall we row to shore, see if we can find fuel and then row back? Or have a shower, grab something to eat and row back? And Alderney, the tides are savage round there, like 8 knots. All I could just imagine is us overshooting the boat and having to try and row back. So we all decided that it would be the safest option to stay on the boat.
Even without water.
Even without, we had a little bit of water, didn't we? A little bit of water, but not enough to. We had enough. I mean, we got by, but we had a lot of red wine, so
We couldn't shower.
wash
Wash
brush
up
our
dishes.
teeth. But I mean, we
We
all
made bowls out of foil for
yeah,
food.
we all had like 750 millilitres. We worked it out 750 millilitres, and lucky enough, we brought water bottles the day before to decide what we wanted to do with that water. If we drink it, we'll brush our teeth or wash our hands or whatever. So we all decided to choose it. You must have. I think you brushed your teeth, did you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, I didn't. Neither did George. There's no shame in it, people. Whoever is that, it's disgusting.
So you shouldn't really say we're in Guernsey yet.
No, but it's pretty obvious. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Should we do an outro? Because
See you next week.